It's been 4 months since I recorded my last video. And the reason is I've been stuck trying to think of the perfect idea. But the thing is, I can never come up with one. I kept telling myself the ideas I had weren't good enough. I kept telling myself that people had already done the same things that I wanted to talk about. So I essentially fell victim to one of the things I warned you against falling into in my last video. And that was comparing yourself to others, specifically comparing your start to somebody's middle. This was a very, very tough first step, jumping back into content creation. But if you have fallen victim to that same thing as me, saying that you are going to start something, but you've been hesitating to do it, subscribe to the channel, because over the next 30 days, I'm going to be posting videos, because one of the things that I realized is that it's not discipline or motivation that makes you better. It's consistency. And I've joined a 30-day challenge to keep me accountable. And that's what I'm going to do. So again, subscribe to the channel. And also, if you're watching this and there's something that you've been meaning to start, that you've been procrastinating on, drop it in the comments and allow this video to be the start of that journey. See you in the next video.